Hey friends, if you wish to use the sniping tool on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar and then open sniping tool. Now the right way to use it is, let's say you wanted a screenshot. I'll close this one. Just press Alt plus Control, sorry, Windows plus Shift plus S, okay? And it will open the screenshot tool. And if you wish to record, press Windows plus Shift plus R and then it will start the recording part, and then you can click on start to start the recording. Okay, so this is how you can use this tool using shortcuts, and that is how it is meant to be used. But the other way is that you can search for sniping tool and access all of these options. Okay, you can also check whether you want to record or screenshot in a rectangle tool or a window or something specific, or delay the snipe by 3 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And you can obviously open the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.